Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the LeetCode problem minimum deletion cost to avoid repeating letters. So given a string s and an array of integer cost where cost of I is the cost of deleting the character I in the s. Return the minimum cost of deletion such that there are no two identical letters next to each other. Notice that you will delete the chosen characters at the same time. In other words, after deleting a character, the cost of deleting other character will not change. So here we have example A, B. So if we see these two consecutive characters are not same, we will continue. B, A not same, then we will continue. Now we got two characters same, A, A. So we have to delete either this A or this A. So how we will delete? We will check the cost, whichever is minimum, we will has to delete greedily that character. So if we see this A 3 and 4, so we will delete the 3 1. So the cost of deleting A is 1 3, and then A is left only 1 and A and C is not same. So only the minimum cost to avoid like duplicate character in this string is just we need to delete the 1A, this 1A, and which is 3. Similarly here all the 3 characters are distinct, so we don't have to delete any of the characters, so the minimum cost is 0. Now in this case we have 2A and here also 2A, so we have to delete 1A from these two and 1A from these two. So from deleting 1A from these two, we will take the minimum of 1 2, which is 1, and minimum of here again 4 1, so which is 1, so total is 2. And the constraint are given, the length is 10 to the power 5 and cost of I is 10 to the power 4 max. So how we will solve it? So let's understand over this from this big example. So if we have a chunk of same character in consecutive characters, so let's say group, this is a group of A, so all of them we have to remove. Let's say these are M character which is repeated, then we have to delete M minus 1 character, so that only single A will left here, otherwise there will be consecutive. So we have to delete M minus 1 character, so out of them we have to delete all the M minus 1 which has minimum cost, like every minimum. So in this example we have these 3 number and we have to delete 2 minimum 1, so which is 3 and 5. So how we will do? We will do sum them up first, total cost, and then maximum, get the maximum among. So this will be 3 plus 5 plus 10, which is total, and the maximum of these 3 is 10. So we will subtract maximum from the sum, which will become 18 minus 10, which is 8. So removing 2A from these 3A, the cost is 8. Similarly we will do for this chunk of B's. So here 753, so this will become 7 like leftover cost. So the cost we are deleted first 8, and for B also 8, and for this is single A, so there is no need to delete anything. Now again we have chunk of 4 B's, so from these 4 B need to delete, so this cost is 10. So total cost of this example is 26, we need to remove. So this is how we can solve. So let's quickly implement the code. So for code we need first, let's say n, which is the length of the string or array, and once gsum array, basically group sum, which is initialized from 0, and the group max, the every time we need the group max, and the final answer which we need to return, so which is from 0. So we will iterate from I is equals to 0 and I less than n dot length, so we know already n, and I plus plus, and here we will start from, so here we will check if I is greater than 0 and the s dot char at the current I is not equals to s dot char at, so the place where the group is breaking. So the first group we found char at I minus 1. So in that case we need to update the answer y, answer will become answer plus group sum minus group max, and update the group sum for the next group from the 0, and similarly group max from the 0. So this is how. And in case if we don't found to, if we are getting the consecutive characters same, then we just update our group sum with group sum plus cost of current character I, and the group max is also the math dot max of current group max comma cost of I. So this is how we will, but there is one more corner case here, like in this case this group will not never be finished, and even we have 4 consecutive B. So in the end also we need to add this into answer, like whatever final group sum minus the group max. So and we will return the answer. So this is how the code we will, let's compile the code. So it is working. Let's submit the code and it is accepted. So what is the time complexity of this solution? So just we are iterating all the character in the string or all the element in the array, so it's O of n, and the space complexity we are just using few constants, so it is O of 1. If you like my solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.